Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you guys my silk press hair routine. This is my hair at about 3 weeks old. I try to do it at least every 2 weeks, but it's been about 3 weeks, so it is time to redo it. So first things first, I always brush out my hair. I mean, it's still pretty straight, so it's not that much to it, but this is the before. Next, I'm getting ready to wash and condition it. I love using the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Deep Moisturizing Shampoo and Conditioner. It has Jamaican Black Castor Oil and Apple Cider Vinegar, which are two really good products for your hair. Here I'm just combing it out, and then I'm going to split it in two because I found that it's much easier to wash when I put it in two separate sections. Okay, so this is me fresh out of the shower, hair nice and washed. As you can see, it is super curly. My natural hair texture is just really curly and a little bit wavy. So now I am just taking a 100% cotton shirt and I'm kind of drying it a little bit, not all the way because I still want it to be somewhat damp, but not just drenched in water. Next, I am taking my rice water and rosemary oil combination that I made myself, and I'm just spraying it all over my hair. Rice water is really good for your hair, so if you have some, I recommend it. Then I'm going to take my organic raw apple cider vinegar, and I like to just apply it to my scalp. I feel like it helps with dandruff, it's good for hair growth, and it makes my hair really soft overall. So I do this every single time that I wash and do my hair. So after I apply the rice water and apple cider vinegar, I'm now going to take the conditioner and just apply that all over my hair. I try to avoid applying it directly on the scalp because they say that can clog your pores. But yeah, I put it all over my hair and this is how it's looking. Then I'm going to take this brush that I got off of Amazon. And it's a really good brush, honestly. It slides right through my hair. So I'm just getting all of the naps and kinks out. So after I brush out my hair, I like to put it in a twist and kind of wrap it in this little bun. And now I'm going to do the other side. So now that my hair is all conditioned, I put all the products on it. I'm going to let the products sit for about 2 hours to 1 full day. It just depends on how I feel, if I have anything to do. I like to leave it on for as long as possible, and if you do this at night, you can even leave it on overnight. So I'm just applying 2 plastic shower caps so that heat can get trapped in there and it can really absorb into my scalp and into my hair follicles. Alright, so this is about maybe 6 hours later. This is how my hair is looking. I rinsed it all off. Super curly still. Now I'm just going to take another shirt and wrap it around so that it can kind of air dry before I blow dry it. Woo, jump scare. Okay, so this is the next day. I ended up falling asleep and I woke up to a full-blown nappy afro. So now I'm about to spray my Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Anti-Breakage Spray. This is actually a heat protection spray, and you're supposed to spray it after you wash and condition your hair. So I'm just going to spray that all over my hair before I get ready to blow dry it. Next, I'm taking my blow dryer. The brand is Andis. I got this thing so long ago. I lost the comb attachment thing. Like, it's time for me to get a new blow dryer. But I am just splitting my hair into two once again to just make it easier. And I am going to blow dry it out. I like using the brush and blow dry method. Like I said, you can get one that comes with the brush or comb attached, but I lost mine, so I gotta do it the hard way. So after I get done blow drying my hair, I like to take my Fantasia heat protectant spray, and I just mostly focus on my ends and my edges to really protect it from the heat that I am about to apply. Now I'm taking my Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium Flat Iron. I think I got this from, I don't know where I got this from. It's been so long. But this flat iron works so good, you guys. I've been using it for years and it gets so hot. I also like to use the comb chase method when I'm flat ironing my hair. I got this little comb thingy from Amazon, and I will leave it linked down below if you guys want to check it out. It makes flat ironing my hair so much easier. I absolutely love this thing. So I like to start with the comb in front and the flat iron behind. Sometimes I'll switch the order, but that's like how I usually do it, and I'll go over it. I try not to go over it more than 2 times, but usually like for the more kinky areas like the back, I'll do like 2 to 3 times. So she get it, there she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah, how I love to keep you here with me, you baby. Just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if the shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand, hope you can understand. Y'all will leave your hands like this. Y'all make it bounce like this. You gotta know she was made for you, and you wanna do everything she want to, man. So when I'm flat ironing my hair, what I like to do is start from the back and work my way up to the top. I just found this to be the easiest method, and this is the method that they also do at the hair salon that I go to. So that's what I do, but you can start from the top if you want, from the back, the side, wherever. Alright, so I am halfway done. I'm loving how it's looking. It's super silky, super soft. Now I'm about to do the same thing to the other side. And this is going to go by a lot quicker. Here's me doing a 360, letting you guys see. I could probably suck a watermelon through a straw. Believe me, every other day, new wig, new hair. Come take me out this smooth glare. I be waiting on you some long. You ready to down low like bombs to red boom. Nothing but a roll in your house. I wanna put these pretty pink toes in your mouth. Send news to your phone while you working. Boy, you gotta see the person. Believe me. Can't just keep talking about it. We need to talk about it. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get right. Alright, so I am completely done with my hair. I am loving how it's looking, super soft and silky. Now I'm taking my olive oil nourishing sheen spray. They do this at the salon I go to, and I'm just spraying a little bit around the top. Then I like to brush it through my whole entire head. It just leaves it super shiny and just even more soft than before. So this is how my hair is looking now. I think I got my ends clipped about 2 months ago, and it's probably time for another trim. Y'all, trim your hair. If you trim your hair, it will grow so much. So after I'm all done, I'm not doing anything for the rest of the day, so I'm about to wrap my hair. I like to use my satin scarf. I forgot where I get it from, probably the beauty supply. And then this is a 100% silk scarf that was gifted to me. And I like to fold it in half and just wrap it around my edges, all around the back, and then tie it in a knot. This helps to really lay the edges down and just prevent them from getting nappy. When you tie it, you just want to make sure not to tie it too tight because it will give you a headache, and that is not fun. Now I'm just going to put my silk scarf on, and in the back, I'm going to show you guys twice. So you want to wrap it around kind of like sock bun style, I guess. You just wrap it in a loop around and around till it's in a bun, and then I just tuck it in. Here's an instant replay in slow motion. I love doing this method. It keeps my hair straight, no kinks or lines. When I wake up, I can just take it out and it's still silky straight. That is it for my hair tutorial. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.